cleft chin. I, like many people, have a little dimple in my chin. One time, when I was very small, an older lady had just made press her thumb under my chin and said, "That's what God did to you when He was making your face." It's actually possible for two non-cleft chin having parents to have a kid with a cleft chins, as well as vice versa. This indicates that both the creation and exclusion of chin dimple can be a mutation. Double eyelashes. This disease is a rare disorder that creates an abnormal growth of lashes right on the waterline, giving anyone who has it a double row of eyelashes. Elizabeth Taylor, a very famous movie star in the 60s and 70s who was well known for her eyes and some other things, ask your grandma about her, actually had this disorder.
Look into my eyes.
Dimples. Dimples, which are basically a facial muscle deformity, aren't always a mutation. They are a highly heritable genetic trait, which means that people who have dimples tend to have kids with dimples too. But while dimples are controlled mostly by one gene, they can also be influenced by other genes, meaning that dimples can sometimes appear to form spontaneously, aka as a mutation. Different color eyes. You can also have a complete heterochromia, which means that your left eye can be one color and your other a totally different color, also a genetic mutation. Blue eyes. Officially, blue eyes are pretty common today, but this wasn't always the case. Once upon a time, everyone had brown eyes. That at some point about 10,000 years ago, a gene called OCA2, which controls your eye's color, was affected by another one of its neighbor genes and started to limit OCA2's ability to produce melanin, which helps it make color in the iris. extra nipples. This isn't always a facial feature technically, but it can be. If you have what looks like a mole somewhere on your body, you might want to look again because it could be an extra nipple. This aka a supernumerary nipple is a common minor skin malformation that's actually an evolutionary leftover called an atavism. Multicolor eyes. It is pretty common to come across someone who has what looks like a birthmark on the iris of the eye. This is actually a genetic mutation called heterochromia iridum. It can also mean that you have multiple gene codes in your cells, or you had two eggs fused into one zygote when you were created, each with a different gene for eye color.